Good day everyone, my name is Kasoko Jefferson from BSIT 2A. In this video, I'll be presenting the documentation and my reflection of some of my classmate projects that use event-driven programming in Java AWT. I start with a brief project overview, then show some screenshot of the interface. After that, I identify the Java AWT components they use, discuss the GUI layout, and design choice, and finally explain the event and functionalities like ActionListener and ItemListener, and how this make the program respond to user action. So this is the overview of the three systems that I chose, presented by my classmate, which is the clinic management system, the blog system, and the fashion sales and management system. So first is the clinic management system by Miranda Charles Salvador. So for this system overview, the clinic management system streamlines clinic operation by offering secure login for doctors and user and easy registration progress for new accounts and a centralized doctor's dashboard. Through this module, the system enables authentication, organized patient information management, appointment, tracking, and efficient communication between the doctors and patient. So this is the three modules that include in this system, which is the login module, register module, and admin dashboard module. So the login module allow doctors and users to securely access the system using their credential, ensuring authentication before entering the dashboard. So this is the login page module design. So as you can see in this in the right face. Next is the register module. So the user enable new user or doctors to create an account by providing necessary information such as name, email, password, which are then stored in securely in the system. So this is the register module in the system. So next is the doctor dashboard module. After the user log in and also register, it will lead to the doctor's dashboard module. Provide doctors with a centralized platform to manage appointment, view patient information, receive notification, and perform action such as updating records or monitoring appointment status. So this is the dashboard doctor's overview as you can see in this design. Next is the Java AWT components. So this is the components that used in the system, which is the frame, all three windows, which is the login frame, register frame, and the dashboard frame. And also each extend to frame, so better to have a better frame in the system. And also the panel used to group other components and also text area for notification and also text field for user input such as in the register and the login part. And also button for clickable button like in the login, register, and back to login button and more. And list, a transaction logs for log list in the dashboard, in the doctor dashboard. And choose. The choose is the drop down selection such as the status choose, which is the pending, complete, and cancelled, and also more. And also label the text display elements in the system, which is the titles in the login, register, and the doctor dashboard. And this is the GUI layout that used in the system for a better layout and position in every components in the system. We have grid layout, main layout for login register form, panels and appointment tables, and also floor layout for center field and field Feature panel, and also border layout, dashboard, main layout like in the north title, center content, south footer, and some section like notif panel and APPT panel. And this is the event and functionalities that is used in the system. there is only one event listener that used in the system, which is the action listener. So the action listeners handles all button clicks and action that is going on in the system. So we have the second system that I chose, which is the blog system. This system is by Boy Banting Lysel Fernandez. So the system overview. The blog system is a web-based platform where users can create, share, and interact with blog posts. It enables posting, commenting, and sharing, fostering real-time social interaction similar to Facebook. So this project is really for some content creator. And this is the overview of the three modules that use in this system, which is the login module, register module, and admin dashboard module. So the login module. The login module authenticates user granting secure access to their accounts and personalized features within the system. So this is the first page of the system, which is the login module. As you can see, there is a title and message that welcome to page. When we click the register button, it will automatically lead to this page, which is the register module overview. So the register modules allow new users to create secure accounts by submitting their personal details and credential to access the system. So when we click also the register after we put the information that we have in the full name, like full name, email, and password, when we click the register button, it will show a message pop up. When the user register, it will pop up a message when we click then register Lysel when the user registers successfully. And after we register and log in, it will lead to the dashboard overview. So the dashboard page, this is the dashboard page where you can find the home button, the admin section, the profile button, and the logout button. So this page serves as the area where the user can create posts and also view posts from other users. So this is the dashboard of the system and also where user can create posts and can see other posts from the other user. So when we click the logout button, it will also give a message pop up. When the user press the logout button, it will also give a pop-up message and have an OK button to log out this entire system. So when we click the OK, it will also close the button and it will automatically dispose all the system. So this is the AWT components, which is the frame, the main window, the panel, used to group other components and also dialog to pop up message in Windows, text field for user input, which is in the email, password, and name field, and also button for clickable button, label for text display elements. And also this is the GUI layout, grid layout and flow layout, used in the sidebar to track buttons vertically and used inside dialogues like message and OK button. So this is the event function and functionalities that use in the system. There are two event listener that use in the system, which is the action listener, react to the button or the other action in events in the system, and also the Windows adapter. Listen to the Windows events such as opening, closing, and minimizing. So this is the last system that I will gonna present for this video, the Fashion Sales and Rental Management System by Andoin Shane Laronte. So the system provides key module to enhance user experience. It includes an order tracking form for viewing and filtering orders, which quick action and help center form for submitting concern or complaints with the file upload and product review form for rating and reviewing products. So this is the three modules that it will gonna present for this system, which is the order tracking form, help center form, and product review form. So the order tracking form. This is the main window where all orders are displayed as cards. It lets me filter order based on their status, like all the package shape, or delivered, and also provide quick action like review, help, and complain or cancel. So the help center form. A help a support page where user can write their comments, concerns, and shows whether it is help request or a complaint, and even simulate uploading a file. So this page where the user can make a complaint with it, which is in the order, and also it can also make a type of what type of this order are and message, and choose a file of some of the documents and submit it. So the help center form. A form where user can rate a product 1 to 5 star and write their feedback review to the submitting it. So this page as the product review. So this is the part where the user or the customer will make a rate of the product that they buy in this platform, and also can rate the product from 1 to 5 star, or poor, or satisfaction, like that, and can make and can have a message to the product. So this is the AWT component that used in the system, which is the frame for main application windows, like class, and the class is extended to frame for a better design and frame selection. And the panels use as containers inside the frame for grouping contents and controlling the layout. Dialogues. Small pop-up windows for message like OK dialogues. And text area, a multi-line text input field such as in the product view and message area. And buttons, all clickable buttons like the rate, help, complain, center, cancel, submit, back to orders, or choose file, and etc. And choose, it is for drop-down selection list status. Filter, rating type like help and complaint center. And the GUI layout, like the border layout, main layout of the frame, like in the north, center, and etc. for a better placement of the components. And the flow layout for arranging components horizontally, and the grid layout for grid-like arrangement, order card info, and button. And this is the event and functionalities that is used in the system, which is the action listener and item listener for bottom and drop down action, and some also event listener. And also this is the other event listener that use, which is the window adapter to handle window closing. So that's include my presentation of my classmate project documentation in event driven programming. And that is for today's video. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for watching this video.